name is May Al-Kubaisi, and today I will be talking about the invention that my colleague Dana and I worked on and created, which is a rescuing boat. And now I will walk you through the project and what it's contained of. The boat is an inflatable rescuing boat that works by an autopilot system. And what distinguishes our boat is that it is swift and safe to use. And we also use a bracelet to aid with the rescuing by pinpointing where they are through a GPS device. And it works by these exact steps, which are: first, the GPS sensor that is contained in the bracelet will send a signal to the authorities and the lifeguard. Secondly, the lifeguard will start moving to the rescue boat with a remote and with the help of an autopilot system and the location taken from the bracelet. And lastly, the drowning person will hold onto the boat when it reaches them with the help of a rope that we have attached around the boat, and it will start heading back to the shore so the lifeguard can perform CPR and first aid to the drowning. Thank you for listening and have a great rest of your day. Goodbye for now.